so welcome back. So yeah, this is how we have a deal with today. We're in this bathroom. So we have all the way to the ceiling. In the right room. Yeah, all the way up the ceiling. So we have the floor for tile. So the floor. The shower. So this is that niche. So these are the tile we use. So it's like a 12 by 36. So you know we're about to get started now. So alright my people, so right now we're gonna start. So we have the first row. Yeah. So this is how we're at the right now. We want to catch our corner this row, the bottom row, the right row. You know. And once we catch up that, almost the bathroom done. Yeah, so these are the important ones. You know, so yeah. See if we can catch this right row. Nice style. So we're going to catch out the master row. Kind of mix it like the cassava, yeah.
Alright, so that means
you can mix a bucket.
okay.
No, you don't have to fully right up, you know.
Yeah man, that's you.
So alright my people, so right now this how we do. So basically get out the master row. You know, all the way around. So yeah, nice tile, 36 by 12. Yes, I know. So we have the shower tile. So the shower tile must have white mosaic tile. So as we said, this will go all the way to ceiling. Yeah, so basically have a straight round. The most important part is that we get out the master all the way around. So once we get out that, then we're good to go. All of the problems solved. So we just have to take the time to work with you now. So we're gonna cover up this. Yeah, so obviously we take time of one, you know, tile look good, nice wall tile. No man, I dismantled it quick, distracted. So yes my people, so you know we take time of one, as we said tile run up on the wall. bathroom. So just I want delicate little man this way, take time if you are working. Yeah, so bathroom looks sweet and nice so far. Couple more rough to go up the hill there. So everything looks pretty sweet. Yeah, on a top class bathroom this side. Anytime this done and grow up, yeah, I'll see the quality of the work. Yeah, as I can see it already. So we take time at one. So let me say we take time at one. Can just full off this one. I'm gonna make my draw some more. So I rather be because right now can't stop a show of work. So I just tie the drop on it. So that mosaic I know we're gonna use my niche. Cut out it, put my niche. So basically everything finished. Just have a couple pieces putting up on the top there. Yeah, so we'll go right up the ceiling. And the cut out. Mostly on the leather. Yeah, so just have them 2 pieces there. 3 pieces at a time up the putting. So we have it them 3 pieces at a time putting. So once you put it in there, there will be some growing. Then grow it up a while. Yeah, little things like this also. Yeah, so this is the bathroom almost finished. Yeah. So we have some things that can out. So I'm going to drop in the niche. Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Shotty, I put it in the niche now. Start the process of applying some thin set. Yeah. Spread out the thin set on the wall. Tile them already assembled in place. Just ready to drop in after some thin set down. Yeah, man. To apply the thin set smooth. Yeah, great Johnny cut in some tile as well for drop in on the wall. Complete the little part up top there. Yeah. Some nice style cutting to make the backsplash. Make the niche, my bad niche, yeah. You know, funny enough, then could have called that set that space in the backsplash and niche. That's true. Niche backsplash. Yeah. Yeah, the mastermind, them at work. Great Chatty and the great Johnny. When this complete, it's going beautiful. As you can see, Chatty and Johnny, they might do an excellent job. Looking beautiful so far. See that, people? I have a skill to assemble them things as I need, you know. Well experienced.
Alright, my peeps, so the niche done here now. Yeah, niche done. So we are the right and we are the some growth. Yeah. Some growth in a one. So we are trying to see if we can get this bathroom covered up. Yeah, then you know we have the shower to drop in. Yeah, so we're not going to do anything, we have to put out the shower. Shower can drop in once we just finish with the grouting. So everything done. I'll try to put up on one. Can't run it back, sir. Shower time. You can't put back in the room. Yeah, so as I said, put up on some grouting, you know. Bathroom nice and sweet. So as we say, all tile going in. Everything right off the ceiling. So we just have to get some growth in on here now. Yeah, I'm also panel with that there. I'm going to run some growth. Yeah, so once you get it growth up, you know, so we're good to go. You know, then you can see the finished product. Yeah, so this is how we are going with right now with some growth in. So alright my people, so right now. Yeah, we'll start dropping the floor. So over there now. I'll drop in the shower bottom now. So as you can see, everything done, growth. Wow, nice and sweet. Right to ceiling. so the shower over there now. And then cut out already. So as I say, everything growed up. So this is the floor. So as I say, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to drop in the shower. This is the niche. What?
Alright people, next update again. Yeah man, so the boss has shut up a show here. Put in some nice mosaic tile, you know. As you can see, it's a very good look. Yeah man, when this finishes, right, they are excellent job. Yeah. With some thin sets and lining out, just add some pieces of mosaic tile. As you can see, the completed side already looks amazing. Furthermore, when everything finished, so level out the thin set and spread it. As you can see, this is a very technical work, you know? So, very creative and skilled to sort out this properly so that when it complete and you turn on the shower, all the water just goes straight to the drain. Yeah. Alright, see our next piece of mosaic you apply again. Yeah. Nice work, people. As you can see, the rest of the bathroom. Very beautiful. The niche as well. It's a very beautiful job. Very creative, you know? Perfect.
Yes, so the final part of this is when I drop in the shower.
Yes, people, it's getting there. As you can see the boss and make sure everything line, you know? Not everything just accurate. Yeah. Alright, just a little way left to go with this and no.
Alright, my people, so show what I'm done up here now. Yeah, so next step I know is to growth. Yeah, so as you can see. So alright, so we are doing now, we are getting rid of the floor. Yeah, so we are playing hoops at time now. I'm dropping the hoops at time and some protein. So another shower. Nice and sweet. Some more sabon mark out that I want to board them up. So alright, my people, so right then I'm going to roll it from the floor. So go up the shower. And go up the floor. Yeah, so shower go up now on the floor. So see my shower. Go and drop on the floor. So it's a lot of nice and sweet. Alright, my people, so the bathroom gonna grow up, everything grow up, you know. Shower growth. The shower. That's the shower toilet. Yeah, so the walls growth up. As I said, everything growth up. So you know, we're finally finished now. So you know, it's a finished product. Yeah. So as I say, everything rolled up. Nice bathroom. Yeah, right to ceiling. Yeah, so then kind of some 12 by 36. Tile. Yeah, tile is not what I want for me, I'll tell you. Some sudden niche. Yeah, job well done. Everything nice and sweet. It's right to ceiling. On the floor, some nice gray tile on the floor, 24 by 24. Nice shower tile. So that says that will look uneven. So remember to like, share and subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. You know, tell me in the comment section. Reason with me, tell me what you think about the juggling. Yeah. Let me know what I go on in the comment section. Alright, people. So as we say, job well done. Yeah, bathroom nice and sweet. Yeah.